Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to explain to you exactly how you can actually use your Bits credit card. So if you want to be able to know exactly how to use it, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So as you can see, as of right now, Bits has actually introduced their credit card as well. So they have Bits store card, which you do get by default when you do sign up for Bits, just so you know. And to be able to sign up, it's very simple. You can either go into the app itself and you can find the app on Google Play Store or App Store, and you can just actually sign up there. Or you can just click on Get Started on their official site, as you can see in here, and then just enter your email address and click on Continue. And you will immediately, after you sign up for a Bits plan, you will be able to get a Bits store card. So I'm going to explain to you. So it is actually two different ways that you can actually use, either if you have a Bits store card or a Bits credit card. They are very different, just so you know. So a Bits store card, it is a digital card. So it's a digital card that you will be able to see on the app itself, and you will be also like able to see on the Bits app. You will be able to see all the details that is currently linked to that specific card. And you can, as you can see, you can use it only in the Bits store. You can use it in the Bits store, paying 70% upfront for each purchases, and 30% goes on the credit line. So you pay basically 70% upfront, and then 30% is like a credit loan basically. And higher credit limits tends to be higher than on the credit card, meaning that this is more impactful with building credit. Yeah. And you have to pay back your balance in full with a single bullet payment every month. So of course you have to also pay it once a month. You want to be able to pay off all of your debt basically. So the thing with a Bits store card, as you can see, you can only use it in the Bits store itself. And you might wonder, what do Bits store actually have? And that's a great question. Well, it is mostly like gift cards basically. So let's say that you want to be able to buy like a coffee or something at Starbucks, then you want to be able to use your Bits store card. And to be able to use that in Starbucks, you go into the Bits store itself, and then you buy I think it's like a 25 pound gift card that they have in there. You can buy it in there with your Bits store card, and then you get that gift card that you can use now in Starbucks. I hope that makes sense. So a Bits store card, in my opinion, is like semi useless, to be honest, because you can just buy like gift cards with it. But their credit card, that is another story. As you can see, you get a physical credit card, and this one, by the way, you don't get by default when you sign up to Bits. You get this Bits store card by default, but you can apply for a Bits credit card on the app itself, just so you know. That's very important to know. And it is a physical credit card. It's a real piece of plastic sent directly to your home, so you get it physically. You can hold on it and you can see like the exact details on the card itself. You can actually use it wherever MasterCard is accepted. So it is a MasterCard, and you can use it basically on whatever like online store or physical store that accepts MasterCard, which is a lot of stores obviously. You get a low credit limit. As you can see, you get a low credit limit to start with, lower than what you get from a bank credit card. And I think that you get in the beginning like 50 pounds or something like that, and it can go up, I think, exponentially after that. But I'm not 100% sure about that, but I just know that the 50 pound is the starting credit limit basically, and you have to pay back your balance in full with a single bullet repayment every week. That is also good to know. This one is every month, the Bits store card, but this one you have to pay back every week actually, and I guess that is why the credit limit is that low. And yeah, how to use this one: you can go, for example, into Amazon, buy whatever you want, and when you check out, you will be able to see add payment method. You just go and like pick up your physical card. You can see all the details on the card and just enter it on Amazon, for example, and you can buy whatever you want, as long as it's with that credit limit, obviously. So yeah, this card right here, the Bits credit card, a lot better in my opinion than the store card. The store card, you can just basically buy gift cards. That is how you use it. You buy a bunch of gift cards for the things that you want to be able to get, and then you use the gift cards when you are in the store. So yeah, basically that is exactly how to use it.